Oh my gosh, look at it. Look at that drip. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is my style Korean honey garlic butter sauce. Okay. Chicken, double battered and fried hard and crispy. And this is what I actually made that for. I have some loaded French fries, some loaded seasoned French fries. I did this amazing, guys, listen. This sauce, when I tell you this is one of my legendary sauces, please try this sauce. Ranch sauce that's on it. I have some sour cream. And on here I have hot peppers. I made some homemade bacon bits. 4 or 5 different flavors of cheese. These sauces, guys, these are my first time trying these sauces. So we're going to try them together. Let me go ahead and show you. This one I have buttermilk ranch, Asian kick wing sauce. And this is spicy and sweet at the same time. That's what this is. Parmesan garlic wing sauce. That's this one. Buffalo wing sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's. And I have Cutie Q sauce. And what we are drinking on is, I'm excited, guys. I have some Gold Peach tea. Guys, if you have not tried this tea, what are you waiting on? When I tell you this tea, Let's look at these fries. Go ahead and taste that. Look at that cheese. Let me put it in some ranch for you. Sour cream. Let's go ahead and taste that first bite. It's good. Oh my God. Oh my God. These fries was already seasoned. Oh my God. It's sour cream and it's ranch. This stuff is dripping everywhere. These fries. Let me taste that chicken. Go ahead, take that first bite. You know what? I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh. Let me stand up for this one. Here you go, guys. Go ahead and taste that. Take that first bite. It's all in my hand dripping. This has honey, butter, garlic in it. Oh my gosh, look at it. Look at that drip. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. As soon as this honey butter garlic hit your palate, so oh my God, just oh my gosh. I got stuff all in my hands. I'm sorry, y'all. When I say, I am amazed. I don't even want to taste no other sauce. Oh my God. Oh my. I can't even stop. Oh my God. You finna stare into each other's soul. After I tell y'all that chicken and that sauce, I promise you, I don't want to eat nothing else. Nothing goes to waste, y'all. Nothing drops, nothing drips. I promise you. I don't want to taste nothing else. Okay, I'm going to dip it. That is the Sweet Baby Ray's. Go ahead and taste that one. Y'all can tell me how it tastes. Let me see. This one. Okay. Okay, I got stuff everywhere. This cutie Q sauce. Cutie Q sauce never failed me. Okay. This one is the sweet and sour. Nope. This is the Asian kick wing sauce. Sweet and spicy. Oh! Oh! Now that is most definitely... Okay. That's a... Listen. This ain't no freaking kick. This a drop kick. This is a Kung Fu Mexican, Asian, Japanese round. What that man name is? Karate Kid kick. Oh. That's hot. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Now those two mixed together. Yeah. Mm. I'm not gonna lie and say, oh yeah, my sauce is the best because I made it, but this sauce right here, this what this meal was made for. This honey butter garlic sauce. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Got it five? Oh my God. I ain't gonna tell y'all what this sauce is equivalent to me. Almost. Kids watching. Mm. I don't know what it is about these fries and this ranch and sour cream. Mm. Mm. I don't know, I got lipstick everywhere, y'all. Mm. Mm. This hot pepper, jalapeno, this bacon. When I tell you, this is one of the meals that make you want to dance. Mm. 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 Mm-mm-mm. Mm. This chicken and sauce. Y'all know this food. I can't even talk. I did have something I wanted to talk about. I done forgot. What's going on? Oh. Mm. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. I'm sorry, guys. I can't hardly see. So if it's lipstick on my chin, forgive me. So just make you sloppy sometimes. I'm getting full already. Mm. 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 Oh, God. These. Mm. Listen, guys. Oh, my God. I'm sorry. I couldn't eat a lot. I'm full already. Drinking this juice. When I tell y'all, I'm literally about to bust. I'm literally about to bust, y'all. Listen, guys. Everything on me is steady in the steady in my mouth. Listen, go ahead and DM me or put it in my comments down below. What do you want to see me do next? Oh, and one more thing, guys. I am sorry. Listen, I've been having people coming to me a lot lately. Like, when are you gonna give us a name? Like, when are you gonna name us? What are we called? So, excuse me. Sorry. So yeah, I have been getting those a lot. So yeah, y'all give me some suggestions. I don't want to reveal the names that I have gotten so far because I want to see what you guys want to be called. Y'all can let me know in my live. And I'm telling you now, guys, if you are on my live, please, guys, no spam words. No spam words, guys, please. The spam words I've heard is hug me. I know it's subscribe. Please don't, please. I am begging you guys humbly, please don't come in the live with that because I don't want to be flagged. I do not want to be, you know, have my video taken down. I don't want to be in YouTube jail. I've never been, but I don't want to be in there. Daddy, you finna knock me over. Jesus. Guys, I guess he wanted to make an appearance. This is my daddy. My little daddy bots. My daddy poop. It's delicious. He hate when I kiss him with lipstick. He told me it's delicious. Oh, you like it? I told y'all. So yeah, guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please hit that notification button so you can be indicated when your girl is back up in your DMs and or your messages or however you receive my notifications. And I just want to say thank you for rocking with me, and I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Guys, go ahead and check out my other videos. I will also be doing shout outs in my live, so stay tuned. Tell a friend and know a friend and know a friend to tell another friend, and let's get this ball rolling. Let's get this family growing, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.